With increased volatility in the markets, investors may desire an alternative to traditional equity investing. The GS Global Equity Long-Short portfolio focuses on high-conviction investment ideas and active downside management to control overall market exposure.
When managing the GS Global Equity Long-Short portfolio, we seek to identify secular changes in industries, markets, and consumer behavior that will positively or negatively impact companies. We seek investments which may offer identifiable catalysts such as restructurings. In addition, we seek investments with compelling risk-return profiles. We strive to build a portfolio with low directional exposure to equity markets and with the flexibility and nimbleness to generate attractive performance in various market environments.
Investment ideas are generated and sourced by a global team, with local presence across the US, Europe, and Asia. Ideas are based on fundamental research and the top-down views of the team's leadership. Capital allocation and sizing of positions is handled by the senior team, while the global co-heads have ultimate responsibility for the portfolio's management, risk, and hedging.
The team targets lower volatility, lower beta to equity markets, and seeks to manage the downside during large market movements. As an example, during the financial crisis when global equity markets were down over 40%, with a similar approach to the one in this fund, not only did we experience less than half of the downturn, but we also began to generate positive performance while the markets were still falling. By managing the downside in 2008 and capturing upside opportunities in 2009, we were able to recover our losses much earlier than global markets.
For the first time, Goldman Sachs Asset Management brings together the experience of this team that has invested together for over a decade to a broader range of individual investors. 3 reasons to consider the GS Global Equity Long-Short portfolio. The fund captures alpha opportunities in an environment where volatility is expected to increase, whilst aiming to protect the portfolio's downside in the long run. The team has extensive investment experience across a variety of market cycles and a long track record of managing equity long-short strategies. Returns are expected to be less correlated to equity markets and offer investors a diversified return stream. Contact your GSAM representative for additional information on the GS Global Equity Long-Short portfolio.